Oh, Giraffe? Oh, what's up? I am over here. You want to play in my house? What do you want? What do you even want, Mr. Puppet? I wanna, hurry up. I have to go to the bathroom. Do you want to play water guns? It's the super most fun game in my life. No, I have to go to the bathroom. But it's water in the toilet. Ew! Who would want to have a pool in a toilet? It was so disgusting. Show hashtag emo. Alright. Okay. Yeah. I hear screaming. I have to go see what's going on. Oh, let me go. Oh, let me go. Leave me, Mr. Puppets. Oh, somebody help. Where's Giraffe? Did he just disappear or something? What? I have to go find him. He's coming from over there. Oh God. Oh, you can't control me. I'm uncontrollable UFO. I can control my house. I can control you. No, you cannot control me. No, I'm a nice UFO. Oh, let me go. Ow, that hurts. Be nice. Okay, we got him. Now, put him in a cage trap so he doesn't escape from this UFO. Yes, my boss. Oh, you don't have to listen to him. Oh no, my hat fell off. Oh, this must be a great spot to sleep. With only a pillow. Let's do it. Oh, let me out. I cannot get out. I want to go back. Come on. Ow. Oh, somebody help. What was that? I'm here. Hey, I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm coming. Oh, there we go. Oh, thank you so much, Mr. Puppet. You're welcome. Oh, let's keep going. Follow me. I'm back home. My Nerf guns. But I wonder where Mr. Puppet's at. Did somebody fart? What? The giraffe escaped! Set the alarm! escape! Run! I'm gonna get back. Run! Oh my god. Oh, what? My painted Mr. Puppet! How did he get inside the UFO? And the paint came off and it broke. The aliens are coming at the camouflage. Oh, where should I hide? Where should I hide? I have an idea. That was close, but I don't know how they got my little project thingy. Oh well, let's keep going. Meanwhile, I wonder where Mr. Puppet is, guys. But yeah, I'm watching my own stuff of Mr. Puppet's movies. Yeah, one of the movies are an aliens. But what in the world? No! Dun, 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 dun. Breaking news! I am alien on breaking news. And there is a puppet that is running around our UFO. Hey, I'm not a UFO. Quiet, I'm running on the breaking news. Mr. Puppet is in our UFO. We are trying to catch him. What in the world, guys? What's at the sky? How did you get out? I destroyed the aliens. Congratulations, you destroyed the aliens. Yeah, now they can't kidnap us again. Let's go. Can we take a picture? Oh, sure. All right. Take a picture right now. 3, 2, 1. Bam!